It's finally that time of year where I can pack up my deck garden and store it in the garage for winter. Plus, I got a great little harvest I want to show you before I took it down. Notice something's missing right over here? Yes, it was a kiddie pool just like that one here, filled with dirt. So where'd it go? Well, let me show you. The dirt is right here. So it filled that all up. I'm going to bring that down in the garage, and that's going to be stored for winter so I could use it next year. And where's the kiddie pool? I put it down there the easiest way I could. Airborne. And there's a shovel I used to empty it. Now, for that huge harvest, are you ready? I can't believe it. I did say a little harvest, didn't I? Yes, these are my carrots. If you remember, I planted those at the beginning of the year in the egg cartons. Well, they were spaced apart perfectly. However, the soil must not have been very good. I found that I need to have more sandy soil. This was mostly peat moss. So we just got some little ones. I mean, take a look at the size of my hand in comparison. Okay? These things are so little. Look at that. Not even the size of a bumblebee. I'm surprised they didn't eat it. And, that was good. And the squirrels didn't even get to them. So, we're actually going to put those in a little stew tonight with those little baby potatoes I got from my banana box a few days ago. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.